Hi, my name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter, and I'm very excited to be teaming up with Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com to present my first ever swing trading course called Swing Trading for Consistent Profitability. I started out as a member of Stock Market Mentor, and over the years, I've developed a unique approach to producing consistent results in the market as an active investor. Throughout the course, I'm going to be opening up my playbook completely, which is something I've never shared before, and you are going to get it all. I'll walk you through my favorite and most reliable setups and specifics about how I trade them. If you're looking to finally take control of your trading and get out of that boom and bust trading cycle, then you'll get a lot out of the material that I'm going to share with you. We'll look at real trades that I took, how I traded them, and what my thinking was throughout the entire process. We'll analyze charts on multiple time frames, talk about buy signals, sell signals, how I like to scale in and out of positions, and scrape away the complexity of trading. In this course, you won't find any fancy indicators that you have to pay extra for or special platforms that you need to utilize the strategies within the course. We'll focus on high probability patterns, buying breakouts, buying pullbacks, talk about pocket pivots, setting alerts, and giving you a set of rules for harvesting profits so you can keep your account growing and compound those gains over time. We'll also go a little deep into the psychology of trading. Charts tell us the emotions of the crowd, and you can see it play out in real time. We'll then talk about how to battle your own emotions so you can approach the market every day with calm objectivity. I like to keep things simple in my trading, and that's what this course is all about. It's not about complicated oscillators or mixed messages. It's about nailing down what's most important and only acting when we have an edge. The great thing about this course is that it's also transferable to other markets. So if you're interested in trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other crypto, you can do that, as these strategies cross over beautifully. I've worked really hard to keep this course very focused and only give you the information that you need to be able to put this system to work right away. I also give you next level thinking concepts so you can build on what you're learning as you go. So no matter your skill level, there's something here for you. Some next level thinking for you as you start to develop your own daily watch list and start doing homework on the weekends is to look for stocks coming out of weekly flags. It's time that you stop playing small with your trading and start treating it like a business. It only takes a few great trades a year to make life-changing money in the market, but you need a system of rules and tactics to be able to capitalize consistently. I'll teach you how to listen to what the market is telling you, so you have a clear set of rules for when it's time to get aggressive and maybe when it's time to do nothing and sit on your hands for a bit. This course is easy to digest, understand, and implement, so you can turn what I'm giving you into your own trading style. I give you the framework for my strategy, and you take what works and what makes the most sense to you and put it to work. By the time you're done with this course, if you do the work that lies within, you'll be able to look at a chart in a short amount of time and know if there's a trade for you. And my friend, that's power. That's financial freedom. Are you ready to take control of your trading and your financial future? I can show you the door, but it's up to you to walk through it. Click the link and take the next step in your growth to becoming the trader I know you are. Dan Fitzpatrick once told me, find one style of trading and become really good at doing one thing. And that's what this course is all about, developing mastery and executing that strategy to compound gains over time. This course gives you only the essential information you need to help you find success in your trading. I'm opening up my playbook and sharing with you my strategy after many years of trading my own accounts and mentoring traders just like you. You can do this, and you deserve it. I hope to see you soon.